Where is the oldest Jewish cemetery in the world? The Jewish cemetery on Mount of Olives is the oldest Jewish cemetery in the world and has some tombs that are 3,000 years old dating back to the time of King David. There are 150,000 graves in the Jewish cemetery, and it is located at the capital city of Israel. Old Jewish Cemetery, Jerusalem. A large cemetery occupies the western and southern slopes of the Mount of Olives, the oldest continually used Jewish cemetery in the world. Since ancient times, people of Jewish religion wished to be buried in this very place in the Holy Land since, according to the Bible, it is precisely where the resurrection of the dead will begin once the Messiah returns to earth. Many characters from the past, some of whom are also mentioned in Psalms and verses of ancient sacred texts, rest here. Among the oldest tombs in the cemetery, at the foot of the mount in the Kidron Valley, are those of Absalom, the son of David, and of Zechariah, the priest of the first temple, while another tomb has an inscription bearing the name of a family that lived 2,000 years ago. Burials have continued and were only interrupted during the period between the Arab-Israeli War and the Six-Day War, 1948–67. Traditionally, instead of using flowers, a stone is placed on the cenotaph or gravestone to denote a visit, as stones never wither and will always be there to show that the dead are not forgotten. From the summit of the Mount of Olives, visitors can enjoy the most aroma of the holy city, with the Dome of the Rock right there view, an absolute must for first-timers. One of the impressive things you will see at the Mount of Olives is the Jewish cemetery which lines the mountain slope. This is a 3,000-year-old cemetery which has been in use since the time of the First Temple. An incredibly important site for Jewish people. There are over 70,000 tombs lining the mountain, leaving little space between burials at times. It is an impressive place to stop and reflect even for non-Jewish visitors to the Mount of Olives. You can see the cemetery up close while walking up the mountain sightseeing churches at the Mount of Olives. You can see it quite well from vantage points in the old city as well. Huge Jewish cemetery, with impressive view towards Jerusalem Old Town. It's an honor for a Jew to be buried here, in the vicinity of the religion's most important spot. The Jewish cemetery on the Mount of Olives, including the Silwan necropolis, is the most ancient and most important cemetery in Jerusalem. Burial on the Mount of Olives started some 3,000 years ago in the First Temple period, and continues to this day. The cemetery contains anywhere between 70,000 and 2 or 300,000 tombs from various periods, including the tombs of famous figures in Jewish history. 19th century 1948 edit. In the 19th century, special significance was attached to Jewish cemeteries in Jerusalem, since they were the last meeting place not only of Jerusalemites but also of Jews from all over the world. Over the years, many Jews in their old age came to Jerusalem in order to live out the rest of their lives there and to be buried in its holy soil. For the desire to be buried on the Mount of Olives stemmed in part from the secular advantages attributed to the burial, according to various sources. During the First and Second Temple periods, the Jews of Jerusalem were buried in burial caves scattered on the slopes of the mount, and from the 16th century the cemetery began to take its present shape. Once the old Jewish cemetery sprawled over the slopes of the Mount of Olives overlooking the Kidron Valley, Valley of Jehoshaphat, radiating out from the lower, ancient part, which preserved Jewish graves from the Second Temple period. Here there had been a tradition of burial uninterrupted for thousands of years. The cemetery was quite close to the old city, its chief merit being that it lay just across the Kidron Valley from the Temple Mount. According to a Midrash, 5, it is here that the resurrection of the dead would begin. 4, the Messiah will appear on the Mount of Olives, and head toward the Temple Mount. As the sages say, in the days to come the righteous will appear and rise in Jerusalem, as it is said, and they will sprout out of the city like the grass of the field, and there is no city but Jerusalem. 6. Jordanian rule added. During the Jordanian rule, the Jewish cemetery suffered damage to gravestones and tombs. 7. 8. Between 1949 and 1967, Israel accused the Jordanians of not protecting the site. As early as the end of 1949, Israeli viewers stationed on Mount Zion reported that Arab residents had been uprooting some tombstones. In 1954, the Israeli government filed a formal complaint with the UN General Assembly regarding the further destruction of graves and plowing in the area. Israel also stated that in the late 1950s the Jordanian army used tombstones to build a military camp in nearby Al Izariya to float tents and toilets. 9. And that some tombstones were transferred to the courtyard of the Citadel of David, where they were smashed and fragments of which were used as markers for the parade ground. 10. Israel also claimed that when new roads were built, one to the new Hotel Intercontinental Jerusalem, 7 arches, on top of the Mount of Olives, one extending the road to Jericho, and one expanding the access road to the village of Silwan, numerous graves were destroyed in the process.